Students, today we are going to discuss topic number 15, that is time from the maths book. So, first we will revise what we have learned about this topic in standard second. So, we have learned that there are 7 days in a week. Yes, a week has 7 days and the days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day or the 7th day of the week. We also have learned that a year has 12 months. So the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So the first month is January and the last month of the year is December. So a year has in total 365 days and once in 4 years we have a leap year and the leap year has 366 days. So also we had learned about the clock. Yes, the clock is having 3 hands. The short hand is called as the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. There is one more hand which is the thinnest and it moves very speedily or very fast. That is the second hand. So students, there are 24 hours in a day and the hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the other number. Here you can see a clock. Yes, this short hand is the hour hand. This long hand is the minute hand and this red colored hand, it is the second hand. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the other number. Whereas the minute hand, it moves all the numbers within 1 hour. It moves from 12, it moves to 1, 2, 3 and all the numbers, it will come back to 12 within 1 hour. And the second hand, it completes all these numbers within 1 minute. So students, we also have learned about AM and PM. So what is this AM and PM? So the time between 12 midnight to 12 in the noon is denoted by AM and the time between 12 noon up to 12 midnight, that is at the night, it is denoted by PM. So based on this information, we are going to solve exercise number 1 and exercise number 2 from your textbook. Students, this is page number 124 of your textbook and you can see here exercise number 1. So you can see here, write the time. So clocks are given and they are showing some time. You have to identify the time with the help of the short hand and the long hand and you have to write the time. See here, you can see the short hand is pointing towards 9 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. It means it is 9 o'clock. Similarly, you can see the second clock. The short hand is pointing between 2 and 3 and the long hand is pointing towards 6. It means that it has passed 2 o'clock and since it is on 6, it has completed 30 minutes. So it is 2:30. Next you can see here, the short hand is pointing between 7 and 8. But it is more tilted towards 7. And the long hand, that is the minute hand, is pointing towards 3. So since it is on 3, we can easily say that it has completed 15 minutes. And since it has crossed 7, it has completed 7 o'clock, or we can say the timing has passed 7 o'clock. So it is 7:15. The last one you can do it on your own. The next you can see, draw the hands in the clock to indicate the given time. Time has been given to you. You have to just indicate or you have to show the small hand and the long hand according to the time that is shown here that is given here. The next is fill in the blanks. There are dash months in a year. So there are 12 months in a year. a week has dash days. So a week has 7 days. The next is if yesterday was Friday, then today it will be a Saturday. The next is the 9th month of a year is. Yes, the 9th month of a year is. You have to do it on your own. And the next is July and August together have dash days. The next exercise is exercise number 2. Here you can see AM and PM. So exercise number 2 on page number 125 is based on AM and PM. As I have told you, each day is having 12 hours. The day ends at 12 midnight and a new day begins at the same time. So the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM, and so 7 o'clock in the morning we say it 7 AM. But if it is 7 o'clock in the evening, we call it 7 PM. The time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is denoted by PM. So 11 o'clock at night it is called as 11 PM, and 11 o'clock in the morning it is called as 11 AM. 12 o'clock is simply written as 12 noon or 12 midnight. So in the afternoon we say 12 noon, at night 12 o'clock we say 12 midnight. Now let us see exercise number 2. Use AM or PM to write the time. The first one has been done for you. 8 o'clock at night. Since from 12 noon to 12 midnight we use PM, 8 o'clock at night will be 8 PM. Similarly, 4 o'clock in the morning, it will be 4 AM. The next, 3:15 in the afternoon. Right? 3:15. So 3:15 means 15 minutes have passed for after 3. So since it is after 12 noon, we will write it 3:15 PM. 3 hours before noon. Before noon means before 12 in the afternoon. So 3 hours before. So it will be AM. And 3 hours before 12, it means 9 AM. Similarly, you can solve the other 3 sums that are given in the exercise.